fix it, break it, fix it, break it, buy it, use it, break it, fix it, trash it, change it, melt, upgrade. Technologic, 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 technologic. Charlie points.
On the Yamaha, chromed out 1100. What I'm doing, getting money. What we doing, getting what they doing, hating on us, but they never cross. Cash money still a company, and bitch I'm the boss. And I be stunning like my daddy, stunning like my daddy, stunning like my daddy. I be stunning like my daddy. I'm the stunning like my daddy, stunning like my daddy. I be stunning like my daddy. Yeah, when I was 16, I bought my first Mercedes Benz. I must have fucked 1,000 bitches and her girlfriends. White leather, hot new pair of rims, brand new pistol with a trigger like a hairpin. Big work, we don't need a scale, man. Big paper, say good morning to the mailman. What you know about putting bricks in the spare, man? I can stuff a coupe like a motherfucking caravan. I'm in my zone, my farm is so rare, man. If there's a throne, you looking at the chair, man. How you want it? Show me my opponent. Show me my opponent. Yeah, I'm still ballin'. A bullet gotta get me, and I never been a pussy, cause my hood never let me. Yeah, a made nigga, got made niggas with me. I'm a motorcycle boy, so I'm about to pump the Bentley. Yamaha, chromed out 1100.
Said, ooh, girl, you shot me like an electric eel. Baby girl, you turn me on, you're electric feel. Falling on the Western Front, people line up to receive. She got the power in her hand to shock you like you won't believe. So hot in the Amazon, with the voltage running through her skin. Standing there with nothing on, she gonna teach me how to swim. Said, ooh, girl,
same old same storytelling when I can come in. Don't mean to struggle dying. One more time my ancestors, I swear I mean no offense, but you better learn to read it. It's all about membership. For the union old, ugly girls and boys, I put you on my list and make you clap to this. Man, I just a nigga trim, but only one can win, and soon you say that's him. DVNO for capital letters, printed in gold, cause details make the girls sweat even more. Why are they shaking their belt? No need to ask my name to figure out how cool I am. DVNO for capital letters, printed in gold, cause details make the girls sweat even more. Why are they shaking their belt? No need to ask my name to figure out how cool I am. Anyone read, anyone feel that I'm losing my patience? I just came here to bounce. Ladies out waxed, they all know I'm coming. I'm losing my patience, I just came here to bounce. Baby, for capital letters, printed in gold, cause details make the girls sweat even more. Why are they shaking their belt? No need to ask my name to figure out how cool I am. Baby, for capital letters, printed in gold, cause details make the girls sweat even more. Why are they shaking their belt? No need to ask my name to figure out how cool I am. Can anyone read, anyone feel that I'm losing my patience? I just came here to bounce. Ladies out waxed, they all know I'm coming. I'm losing my patience, I just came here to bounce.
Just can't seem to grow up. I said I just can't seem to grow up. But you know what? What? I don't think I want to. I just can't seem to grow up. I said I just can't seem to grow up. But you know what? What? I don't think I want to. Okay. I was a youngin', maybe 7 or 8, when I was up late playing games 4 hours straight. Babysitter on the couch trying to get a freak on. I'm passing level after level thinking I'ma be Pong. But little did I know they didn't have any endings. Every couple of levels I would go back to the beginning. Hard lesson to learn, but I recovered fine. Couldn't beat Pitfall and got tired of trying. But when the NES came around I had to get down. If you ain't have it on the block then you was bound to get clown. My game was Super Mario, I played it to death. First to get 100 men kicking turtles on the step. Learned that from Game Pro, but it's a shame though. Nowadays video games ain't the same, bro. Too complicated and they ain't worth the price. You know something, they a lot like life. And that's why I just can't seem to grow up. I said I just can't seem to grow up. But you know what? What? I don't think I want to. I just can't seem to grow up. I said I just can't seem to grow up. But you know what? What? I don't think I want to. Follow me here. Say I don't care, I don't care, I don't care, I don't care. Say I don't care, I don't care, I don't care, I don't care. I know you are, but what am I? 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 I just can't seem to grow up. I said I just can't seem to grow up. But you know what? What? I don't think I want to. I just can't seem to grow up. I said I just can't seem to grow up. But you know what? What? I don't think I want to. I beat every game in front of me. My peoples wanted none of me. Ran skills in video games, they couldn't front on me. Mom knew how to punish me. Take away the chords till I thought they used the AC adapter from my keyboard. That's when I knew that it was something amazing. My boys would get in trouble, I was cool cause I stayed in. Latchkey kid.